Certain Philippine leaders hypocritical and cold-blooded for endangering their fishermen. Ito'y ayon kay Zhang Xiaogang, ang tagapagsalita ng Minister of National Defense ng China, hinggil sa umano'y pagsisikap ng kanilang PLA or People's Liberation Army sa pagsagip sa isa nating kababayan na mangingisda dyan sa West Philippine Sea kamakailanan. Magandang araw, magandang oras mga kaboses at kapinyon ng ordinaryong mamayan. Pag-usapan po natin ito, pero bago po yan, please like, share, and subscribe sa ating YouTube channel na Boses at Opinyon ng Ordinaryong Mamamayan at sa ating Facebook page na Boses ng Malayang Makabayang Mamayan. Ang tinutukoy ng naturang tagapagsalita ng Ministry of National Defense ng China ay ang umano'y nangyari ito noong Christmas Day na kung saan ay ipinapakita po nila na meron silang tinutulungan na kababayan natin na mangingisda dyan naman sa West Philippine Sea. Ito po yun, mga kaboses. Pakita po natin yung nangyari na kung saan ay binibigyan nila ng mga at kung ano pa. Ang nakapagpapaka dito, mga kaboses, ay bakit po meron lang ginawang karatula na ito yung karatula.
According to China, rescuing people in distress has...
Ito po. Ang galing talaga ng kababayan natin, meron na kagad siyang karatula na please help me. Pero sa isang dako, isang banda naman mga kaboses, may sinabi po, ang sinasabi po nating itong Taiwan Talks, na kung saan ay sinabi nila na itong pakulo ito o itong nangyari dito ay isang pakulo. Pakulo ng China na kung saan ay sinasabing photo ops. PR for PR purposes. Dahil pag titignan po natin nung mga nakarang araw, noong unang bahagi po ng Disyembre, ay nag-watercon na naman ang Chinese Coast Guard na kung saan ay ikinasugat ng ating mga kababayan. Nakita ba ninyo ito, mga kaboses? Ito po yung tinutukoy po natin. Ipakita ko po sa inyo kung sino ngayon ang sinasabing cold-blooded, ang Chinese Coast Guard at ang kanilang mga leader o ang mga namumuno dito sa ating bansa. Ipakita ko po sa inyo. Ito po ang nangyari mga kaboses. Yan. Tignan po ninyo. Ang wawat sa ating mga kababayan na mangingisda na kung saan ay may mga nasugatan po dyan. May mga nasugatan po dyan, mga kaboses. Tingnan po ninyo. Ayan ay video galing sa Philippine Coast Guard. Yun yung bangka ng mga kababayan. Na kung saan talagang yan, na ikinasugat po ang ating mga kababayan. And to think na yan po ay nasa instead ng ating bansa. Exclusive economic zone ng ating bansa. Yan. Ganyan po kabrutal. Ang mga PLA, ang Chinese Coast Guard, ang Chinese Navy, mga kaboses. Yan. Now, tell me, Mr. Xiaogang. Yan. Hindi ko alam kung anong pronunciation ng pangalan mo. Tell me, Mr. Xiaogang, are you a member of the demagoguery or the demagogue gang of China? That you don't know how to distinguish between a cold-blooded water cannoning of Filipino fisher folks of the PLA or the People's Liberation Army or the Chinese Coast Guard and the Chinese Navy? Huh? That you think that by not appreciating or by our government not appreciating what is a propaganda that you did to one of our fisher folks last December 25, Christmas Day, is cold-blooded? My goodness. Who is more cold-blooded? Mr. Zhao Gang, is it the Filipino government or is it your government? Huh? Ayan po mga kaboses. Tanungin po natin, sino ngayon ang mas cold-blooded? Ang gobyerno ng China o ang gobyerno ng ating bansa? Ang Republika ng Pilipinas. Remember, Mr. Zhao Gang, we are a republic and not a communist state. Ito, ipakita ko po sa inyo. Dahil gumagawa po sila ng damage control. Ang ginagawa po ng PLA, ang ginagawa po ng Ministry of National Defense ng China, ay gumagawa po sila ng damage control. Naalala po ninyo, mga kaboses, yung kahihiyan na ginawa ng kanilang Navy at ng kanilang Coast Guard. Ito, ipakita ko po ulit sa inyo. Nang sa ganun ay maalala po ninyo ang kahihiyan na ginawa nila dyan sa West Philippine Sea. So, naalala po ninyo ito? Ang bangga nito ng Chinese Coast Guard at ng Chinese Navy dahil sa panghahabol nila sa isang barko ng ating Coast Guard. Yan. Kita po ninyo? That's how inept. That's how inept the Coast Guard and the Chinese Navy. Diyan po natin makikita. Malalaki lang kasi ang kargada ninyo eh. Ang mga barko ninyo eh. Pero diyan po natin makikita how inept. Inutil itong Chinese Coast Guard at Chinese Navy. Now, who is more cold-blooded, Mr. Zhao Gang? Is it the authorities of the Philippine government or is it your government? Who is more cold-blooded? And ito, ipapakita ko po natin. I'll show you another thing. That you are more cold-blooded. Your government is more cold-blooded than the government of the Philippines. Remember the Tiananmen Square massacre in 1989? You remember that? How many thousands were killed during the uprisings? And how brutal and how cold-blooded did your government do to your fellow citizens in Tiananmen Square in 1989? Does that show how cold-blooded you are, Mr. Zhao Gang? Tell me. Are you familiar with this image?
How many people have died in the crackdown, we may never know. Our own CBS News review of hospital figures indicates that at least 300 have died. The figure may be as high as 3,000 or more. Many were civilians who went into the street unarmed to challenge the military and were mowed down by machine gun fire or run over by tanks.
See? That you machine gunned your fellow citizens in Tiananmen Square in 1989, which is, according to reports, up to 3,000 were killed. Is this not cold-blooded, Mr. Zhao Gang? My goodness, you are talking about cold-bloodedness, and yet your government has shown time and again how cold-blooded you are. How you have ruthlessly suppressed freedom of expression in your country. I'll give you another example, Mr. Zhao Gang. How many of the Uyghurs or Uyghur Muslims in your country has been killed and incarcerated because you don't want that there will be religious dissent in your country? These Uyghurs are Muslims. But what did you do? What did your government do? Several thousands have been incarcerated. Several more thousands were imprisoned. Several more thousands have vanished. Hindi po lumalabas ito, mga kaboses, sa mga pahayagan sa China dahil ayan po ay kanilang tinatakpan. Pero ito po, ang ebidensya. Ayan o, tingnan po natin.
reports.
These are the faces China never intended us to see from inside its system of mass incarceration in Xinjiang. The government has long denied it's running detention camps for Uyghurs, insisting instead they are vocational schools for willing students. The photos, almost 3,000 of them, show the reality of how whole swathes of Uyghur society have been swept up person by person. The oldest was 73 at the time of her detention, the youngest just 15.
See? Your government cannot tolerate dissent. Your government cannot tolerate free speech, freedom of speech, Mr. Zhao Gang. Now, who is more cold-blooded? Your government, which has killed several thousands of Uyghur Muslims in Xinjiang province, and also the massacre in Tiananmen Square, and the ruthlessness of water cannoning of Filipino fishermen inside the exclusive economic zone of the Philippines in the West Philippine Sea, or the government of the Philippines, which is defending our right at the West Philippine Sea. Masyado kayo. Ha? Ito namang ating mga ibang kababayan, ito pa ang kanilang ibinabandera dyan sa social media. Ang naratiba ng China. Iyan ang gusto ninyo. Masyado naman kayong makapili. Masyado naman yung ipinapakita na kayo'y pro-China. Nasaan ngayon ang sinasabi po ninyong mga makabayan? Na dapat itong mga pronouncements na ganito ng China, lalong-lalo na po ang tagapagsalita ng Ministry of National Defense ng China, dapat ito po ay kinukundina, kung kaya't kinukundina po natin ito. Na ito po ay isang demagoguery ng mga namumuno sa China. Alam naman po natin, we do not hate our Chinese brothers and sisters because we know that you are victims of circumstances. We know that many more, if not majority of our Chinese brothers and sisters, does not approve what this demagogue Xi Jinping is doing to your country. Why not follow what is going on in Iran? Express your or exercise your right to freedom of expression. But I know that in China there is no such thing as freedom of expression or freedom of the press. But you, our Chinese brothers and sisters, know better. Are you not, or do you not envy your brothers and sisters in Taiwan who are enjoying their freedom of speech and of expression? How long are you going to tolerate the demagoguery of the Chinese Communist Party members, especially that demagogue called Xi Jinping? Express what you feel. Follow the footsteps of our Iranian brothers who are already sick and tired of the dictatorship, of the leadership of the government of Iran and the government of China. It's time for you to express what you feel. It's time to regain your freedom, our Chinese brothers and sisters of the mainland China. Follow the footsteps of our Taiwanese brothers and sisters who are enjoying the freedom of expression and the freedom of the press. That's what you're going to do, our brothers and sisters in China. Do not be fooled by the demagogue named Xi Jinping. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas.